Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by reducing risk. Sign in to the OneDrive account you intend to move, then pause syncing from the OneDrive icon so files don't change mid-process. Once paused, make a quick backup of critical folders to an external drive or a temp folder. This protects you if something goes wrong. Make sure Windows is updated and you have admin rights. These prerequisites prevent permission errors later. Now that syncing is paused and backed up, you're ready to change the folder location. Next, unlink the PC. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account, and choose Unlink this PC so OneDrive stops binding to the old path. Once unlinked, move or rename the existing OneDrive folder in File Explorer if you want a clean start. This prevents duplicate folder creation. Then sign back into OneDrive. During the Setup wizard, select Choose Folder and pick your new location. This tells OneDrive where to sync and avoids permission mismatches, making sure files map to the path you selected. Once you've chosen the new location, allow OneDrive time to index and sync, monitor progress via the taskbar icon, and check file counts. You should verify selective sync settings so only desired folders download and confirm key files open correctly. If syncing stalls, make sure the new folder permissions grant your user full control. If problems persist, reset OneDrive with the built-in reset command. This often fixes stubborn sync errors. After verification, resume normal use and delete any safe backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.